Morning everyone. I welcome you to the class Arts of Speech. In this class I want to explain you adverb, what is adverb and the types of adverbs. So what is adverb? It is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective and another adverb, and the adverb is called adverb. Is it clear? Adverb means it is a word. What is a word? Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of the verb, the meaning of the adjective, and the meaning of another adverb. Another adverb is called adverb. Is called, what is that? Adverb. Its place, what place adverb plays in the sentence is by the side of the verb. By the side of the verb or at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence. Is it clear? The place of the verb by the side. Either side. Either side means left side or right side of the verb. Left side or right side of the verb, or at the ending of the sentence. At the ending of the sentence. That is the placement of the, what is that? Adverb. And generally adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. What is that? By adding ly to the adjectives, we can form adverbs. We can form adverbs. Any word, most of words ends with ly is called adverbs. Most of words, what is that? Ends with the ly is called, what is that? Are called adverbs. Adverbs. Its place in the sentence is by the side of the verb or at the ending of the verb. At the ending of the verb. Is it clear? This is the thing here. So adverb means add plus verb. Add verb means what is that? Add plus verb. Add something to the meaning of the verb. Add something to the meaning of the verb is called adverb. Here three things are there. One is the meaning of the verb, the meaning of the adjective, meaning of the adverb. Meaning of the adverb. It functions in three ways. It modifies the meaning of the verb. It modifies the meaning of the adjective. It modifies the meaning of the another adverb. Another adverb. For example, see, he walks slowly. He walks slowly. What is the verb here? This is the subject and this is the verb. Walks, verb, and slowly modifies what? Slowly modifies the verb. Slowly, the word slowly modifies the verb so that it is called adverb. It is called adverb. It is called adverb. Is it clear? This is the first thing. It modifies the verb. What modifies the verb? This word modifies the verb so that this word is called adverb. This word is called adverb. This is the first action. How can you say it modifies the verb? It adds something to the meaning of the verb so that it is called adverb. So he walks slowly. How does he walk? How does he walk? He walks slowly. అతడు నెమ్మదిగా నడుస్తున్నాడు. ఈ నెమ్మదిగా అనే వర్డ్ దేన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తుంది? నడవడాన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. నడవడాన్ని స్ట్రెస్ చేస్తుంది. నడవడాన్ని మోడిఫై చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటారమ్మా? It's an adverb. It's an adverb. Is it clear? This word modifies the verb, so it is called adverb. This is the first one. And the second one modifies the meaning of the adjective. Meaning of the adjective. She is very clever. She is very clever. Here, clever is the adjective. Clever is the adjective. It is a quality. Clever is the adjective quality. Here, she is very clever. Very clever. Very is called, what is that? Adverb. Because this word modifies the adjective. Modifies the adjective. She is very clever. ఆమె ఎలా తెలివైనది? ఎంత తెలివైనది? వెరీ, చాలా తెలివైనది. చాలా అంటే దేన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తుంది? It's an adjective. So that it's called, this word is called, what is that? Adverb. Because it modifies adjective. It modifies adjective. So one more example. I am glad. I am so glad. I am so glad. Here glad is the adjective. Happy. Glad is the adjective. Happy. So glad. How much glad? So glad. This is called, so is called adverb. So is called adverb because The word so modifies adjective. Word so modifies what is that? Adjective. Is it clear? And she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. Very modifies what is that? Adjective. So it is called what? Adverb. This is the second function. First function modifies verb, second one modifies adjective, and third one what is that? Modifies another adverb. Modifies another adverb. Look at here. I recovered quite well. I recovered quite well. Here well, he recovered well. Well modifies what is that? Verb, so it is called adverb. Quite well means what is that? This quite also modifies verb, adverb, so that this is called adverb. There are two adverbs. This first one is modifies the verb, recovered, and this word modifies what is that? Adverb, quite well. Quite well. Is it clear? And one more example. She uttered the word. She uttered the word quite correctly. Quite correctly. Here, correctly is an adverb. Correctly is an adverb, and quite modifies adverb, so that this is also adverb. Quite also adverb. She uttered a word. Uttered means pronounced. She pronounced the word quite correctly. Quite correctly means there is no mistake. There is no error in pronouncing. Quite well. Quite correctly. Quite correctly. Here quite refers adverb, so this is also adverb. Here quite refers adverb, this is also adverb. This is also adverb. Is it clear? Adverb modifies verb. Adverb modifies what is that? Adjective here, and adverb modifies adverb here. Adverb here. Is it clear? A word which modifies the verb is called adverb. A word which modifies the meaning of adjective also adverb. A word which modifies the meaning of another adverb also called what is that? Adverb. Here we never come here. We never come here. Here number is adverb. Number is an adverb. And this is also adverb. This is also adverb. Here adverb of time, and it's adverb of what is that? Place. Okay. Here never. What is the place of the never? Beside the, before the subject, before the verb. So to say the placement of the verb, I mentioned this one. We never come here. The place of the adverb here, what is that? Before the verb. Here all adverbs, what is that? This is also before the verb. Sorry, after the verb. And this is at the ending, after the verb. This is also what is that? After the verb. Here after the verb. That is the ending of the sentence. This is. And here slow is the adjective. What is that? Slow is the adjective. After adding ly, it becomes what is that? Adverb. This word is totally adverb. Slow is the adjective. After adding what is that? Ly, it's slowly adverb. Correct. Okay, that is also correct adverb. Adjective after adding what is that? Ly, adverb. So this is the adverb. Is it clear? And now come to the types of adverbs. We have 6 types. So the first one, we have 6 types. The first one is the adverb of time. Adverb of time. Adverb of time shows when the action has taken place in the sentence. Adverb of time shows what is that? When the action has taken place. When the action has happened. And when the action has happened. And we have to form a question with what is that? When. We have to form a question with when to know what is the adverb in the sentence. To know what is the adverb in the sentence, in the given sentence, we should make a question with when. We should make a question with what is that? When. Is it clear what I am saying? To know, if you don't know what is the adverb in the sentence, we have to make a question with when. Then you can understand what is the adverb of time. Adverb of time. So make a question with what is that? When. I have seen him before. So how can you make a question with when? When have I seen him? When have I seen him? When? Before. Before is called adverb of time. Before is called, what is that? Adverb of time. Adverb of time. Is it clear? When have I seen him? When have I seen him? ఎప్పుడు నేను అతను చూశాను? Before. Is it clear? Next one. We shall now begin to work. He shall now begin to work. Begin to work. Here now is called adverb of time. It shows time. It shows a time. When shall he begin to work? When shall he begin to work? When? Now. Is it clear? The next one. So now is adverb of time. Next one. They have already submitted their records. They have already submitted their records. Here already is called, what is that? Adverb of time, because. So make a question with when. When have they submitted their record? Already. When have they submitted their record means, what is the answer is already. So already is called, what is that? Adverb of time. Adverb of time. Is it clear? Next one. He will come here today. He will come here today. So when will he come? When will she come? When will she come here? Today. Today is adverb of time. Today is an adverb of time. Is it clear? To know what is the adverb of time in the sentence, you should make a question with when. Then you could understand what is the adverb of time. What is the adverb of time? Here adverb of time shows when the action has taken place. When the action has taken place. When this action happened? Before. Or when this action happened? Now. When this action happened? Already. Today. All these four words show time. So time. Okay, is it clear? And here this modifies, what is that? Verb. I have seen him before. ముందే అతన్ని చూశాను. ఇంతకు ముందే అతన్ని చూశాను. ఇంతకు ముందే అతన్ని చూశాను. ఇక్కడ సో హీ షల్ నౌ బిగిన్. అతడు ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు? ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడే ప్రారంభిస్తాడు. ప్రారంభించడం అనేది వెర్బ్. సో దిస్ నౌ adds begin. So it is called, what is that? Adverb. And it shows time, so that it is called adverb of time. Adverb of time. Don't think we have only 4 adverbs of time. We have many. So and here don't think it is a noun. Today also noun in some cases. Today is holiday. Today is a holiday. Is it clear? In that case today is a noun, but here it shows the time. It shows the time. So that it is called adverb of time. Adverb of time. At the same time it modifies, what is the verb. She will come here today. ఈ రోజే అతను వచ్చాడు. సో ఈ రోజే వచ్చాడు అనేది, ఈ రోజు అనేది దేనికి రెఫర్ చేస్తుంది? వచ్చాడని యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? adverb of time. Adverb of time. So this is the adverb. What is adverb and what is the adverb of time? Okay, we will meet again in the next session to discuss about types of adverbs. Thank you very much.